What's up, boys? Welcome to the vlog. Game Maddie here from Carlisle. It's really hard to show Corvettes at Carlisle because there's so many content here, but I just want to take a moment to, you know, show you guys where we are. Pete's, and I have my car, you have a Z06, and it's too early in the morning to say anything, so I'll take you guys here and there, show something special. Corvettes at Carlisle is always good. You see a bunch of different stuff. If you cannot make it, I try to show as much as I can, but I'm also gonna have like a more detailed video on my Portuguese channel, so check it out, link in the description below. So let's walk. We are back, baby.
We are a team.
We are back. You know, when we walk together, something happens.
Yeah, we drive each other nuts.
Yeah,
but
and they would drive other people nuts.
This is Team USA and Team USA
Brazil. Look, carbon fiber parts. That's the one you need for a car. But this is a C60.
Yeah, it sees all the controls, everything.
Everything works.
And look at the quality. Yeah, it's all done back in.
Do they have anything for C6 so we can like have a? I don't see like a cover for the valves. That's what I wanted for my car.
See, I like the shiny and the smooth.
I love this, but it's so much money. How much there is? That's pretty much like mine, but I don't need that. This is one thing I like about having a base model, because you don't need to worry about anything when you upgrade.
I've got. Oh, that's nice. Well, only knows what'll happen when you're in Brazil.
Yeah, we'll see. I hope my car is, well, at this point I don't know if it's gonna be my car anymore, but you got the point.
This is very different.
You said that a church owned all those cars?
All of them. There's big money in religion.
So basically all the cars you see here,
yes,
it's owned by a church.
Yes, and they all have a story. They are very unique. Some are even one of one.
Look at that 01, 601. Oh my god.
See, finish the race.
Yeah. See the name, finish the race. Oh, that's nice. Carlisle has it's not a track, it's just like for fun. I'll take my car there to see what I can do. It's not about how fast he is, it's like how good you can drive, I think, if I may. So I'll take you guys along. I'll see if Pete can record for me from the top, and we go from there. So I'm going my way to pick up the car. Pete is somewhere else. I don't know where he is. He's always all over the place. So we'll go for, you know, look how fun it is. You want a blue Corvette? You can take it. Look at that. All the way there.
All right. Here we are with my little friend in Corvettes of Carlisle. There you go. You're getting a view up on the hill. They're supposed to break records this year. The last record set by the number of vets attending was a little over 7,000. There we go. Now where we're headed right now is for the autocross.
There we go. I'm good.
The first time I'm out, I'm going to ask you to do a couple things.
Okay.
We're going to go slow. Okay. We're going to learn the track. You learn the track, you get fast. You don't learn the track,
you get out.
No, you'll make the same mistake over and over and over again, never pick up any speed.
Gotcha.
So pull up till this light turns red, and stop. Clutch to brake. There you go. There you go. Brake, brake, brake. Good, good. Nice. Good. come out of the hole first. Grab second. Stay in second. Stay in second.
And no clutch.
No clutch. But I'm going to get out and let you do your thing.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For all the tips.
Yep. So I guess this is going to be a time trial. I thought so. Yeah, I was right. You got a better time on the second lap. Maddie. Well done. I like the cool temps. I actually commented on the channel and I said, I bet you that second lap is better time, and you said it was a good time.
The first one was 53. The first one actually was just to learn the course.
Correct.
The second one was 53, that one was 51.8. I'll go again like 2 more times to see.
Yes.
It's fun. You should go. Yes.
Did you get into second gear?
All around.
I was going to say, I was commenting.
There's no
thinking,
time for third.
No. And actually, you can do the whole course in second.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay.
I think my wheels are too big to do a big turn. Okay, and I hear like, you know what I'm saying?
We heard that with him just recently.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I heard it.
I think that's what's
You think you're hitting the inner fender wells?
Oh, remember, it's one size up in stock.
That should be all right.
Depends on the tire, though. Right?
Yeah, it does. Sterling sauce.
Guess how fast was it? The first one was 51, remember? When we were down there.
I would have to say you broke 50.
47.
47?
47.
Oh.
That's so much fun though.
I think I know where you're coming back to.
That was so much fun, right?
Was it? But the car sounded amazing.
Really? I put the GoPro there, so.
Oh, you got it on GoPro.
Yeah. Let's head back.
You know, those are LEDs. They're not sequential, but stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you.
We are trying to move slowly here in Carlisle, but we have 2 problems. The driver doesn't know how to drive, and everybody stops the Iron Van.
Yep.
Everybody. You guys saw like 2 but there were more. I just don't want to put it here because, you know, it's too, the video is going to be too long. People don't watch videos that long.
They'll watch me in Iron Vet.
That's also true.
I'm Peter Stark.
If you guys think,
Tony's father.
if you guys think that Pete should be more videos, leave a comment below saying PC. That's how he likes PC, right? So leave there, go there now. Hit pause, go there, and I know this was a rough transition, but Carlisle was so nice and so busy, and did you see I put my Brazilian flag there, and the car is under the cover, and my son, it's running there. That's why I gotta keep the cover on the car, because he keeps putting his hand on, right buddy? Right? You love the red car, do you? But anyway, I didn't finish the video in Carlisle because after that last run that you just saw, I started getting a check engine light. And as you guys know, I had Fix, which is an OBD reader. I'll leave in the description below, so if you need one. That thing's kind of didn't save my life because it didn't fix the problem, but at least I knew what was going on. And the message I was getting was a misfire cylinder. I tried to figure out some stuff there in Carlisle, like somebody to put the car on the lift to see if my O2 sensors melted, but didn't happen. Everybody was so busy, and I was flying to Brazil the following Monday. I went to Brazil and came back already, so we're good to go. I don't have COVID, my family, nobody got COVID, we got that, so I'm good to go. But I got back, I had to drive back from Carlisle as fast as I could, and I drove the car the way it was. So I got home and I parked the car, I put the cover on, and since then I didn't touch. It was a rough drive though, I'm not gonna lie. The car was kind of, you know, misfiring. I hope I didn't damage anything. So what I did, I ordered new spark plugs and new wires, new spark plug wires too. They should be hit tomorrow, and then we're gonna see what happened. It seems every time I go to Carlisle, something happened. I know it's crazy, but I just want to give you guys an update. I don't want to miss that video the way it was, like, you know, just cutting and that's it. So I should have another video maybe later this week to see what's going on. If I get the parts tomorrow, I'm gonna start work on the car tomorrow, and we go from there, right? I hope you guys enjoy. Carlisle was so much fun. Can't wait. Next year we're going big, boys. We are going big. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it. Bye.